The best courses that I've run were courses where when we were doing these weekly challenges, I was doing these weekly challenges. I was leaning in just as much as they were because I'm in it with them, looking for ways to be a better person. My name is Erin McConlogue. My job is to help people see themselves clearer. At the heart of Carnegie is authentic human connection. And a byproduct of that, of course, it's better relationships with your team, more opportunities, more people close deals. That's all byproducts of very genuinely connecting with people better. We can do amazing things as humans in a short amount of time. And what I love about this course is it says, okay, we have 2 months. Have you ever wanted to see life differently, see people differently, see yourself differently? Now's the time. Let's do it. This training is not trying to change you. It is trying to help you see your strengths better, see the pieces of you that are awesome, and lean into those things.